The Future-Proof Garden, 2025 Trends and Timeless Hacks for Urban and Suburban Growers. In an age where climate resilience, self-sufficiency, and wellness are on everyone's minds, the garden and vegetable patch are no longer just weekend hobbies. They're essential zones of sustainability and self-care. Whether you're working with a balcony in a high-rise or a backyard in the suburbs, the 2025 garden is smarter, smaller, and more intentional than ever. This podcast explores 4 core principles shaping the way modern gardeners cultivate food and beauty with limited space and maximum efficiency. Smart gardening starts with microclimates. Understanding microclimates in your growing space is no longer optional. As weather patterns shift, the key to thriving plants lies in observing your immediate environment, where sunlight lands longest, which corners stay wind-free, and where moisture tends to collect. Whether it's a corner of a patio or a narrow windowsill, identifying these niches allows you to optimize plant placement and increase yield with minimal effort. In 2025, apps and low-cost sensors can now map temperature, humidity, and light levels throughout the day, helping gardeners fine-tune crop locations. With the right knowledge, even the smallest vertical strip can support a mini food forest. Urban growers are increasingly layering herbs beneath taller crops or using reflective surfaces to double sunlight exposure in narrow alleys. Soil is currency. Compost and regenerative practices. Soil is no longer dirt, it's living currency. Composting kitchen waste has surged in popularity, not just for sustainability, but because it produces better-tasting vegetables and stronger plants. Worm bins are now household gadgets, as common as air fryers. Even those in tiny apartments are using bokashi fermentation to reduce waste and generate high-quality soil amendments. Mycorrhizal fungi products are trending in 2025, often sold in small sachets to add to potted plants, enhancing nutrient uptake and root health. Regenerative garden beds, such as no-dig lasagna layers of mulch, compost, and cardboard, are being used even in containers to mimic the soil richness of traditional gardens. These practices are not just ecological, but economical, as they reduce the need for store-bought fertilizers and improve plant resilience naturally. Resilient crops for unpredictable weather. The modern vegetable garden is adapting to new challenges: heat waves, excessive rain, or even sudden frosts. Growers are shifting toward hardy, multifunctional plants like Egyptian walking onions, Malabar spinach, and dwarf fruiting trees suited to containers. These crops thrive across zones and are less vulnerable to erratic weather. In 2025, seed catalogs are prioritizing climate-resilient varieties that are not only productive but attractive, making them perfect for dual-purpose spaces that serve as both garden and gathering area. Perennial vegetables such as sorrel, rhubarb, and sea kale are experiencing a renaissance because they require less maintenance and provide reliable food year after year. They're ideal for time-strapped gardeners looking for long-term value without constant replanting. Additionally, these plants often have striking visual forms that contribute to a vibrant garden aesthetic. The aesthetic edible garden movement. The boundary between ornamental garden and food garden has blurred completely. Raised beds are designed in spiral patterns, painted with weatherproof colors. and often integrated with artistic structures like trellises or repurposed furniture. Companion planting is no longer just about pest control. It's about creating dynamic color palettes and textures that transform gardens into art pieces. Calendula, nasturtium, and purple basil now appear in nearly every planting scheme, valued as much for their beauty as their utility. People are growing vegetables like rainbow chard, purple cauliflower, and striped tomatoes, not just for taste, but for how stunning they look in photos and social media feeds. The result is a garden that's not only edible, but ready for its close-up. A space that reflects both personality and practicality in every corner. Even the humble lettuce patch is arranged with intentionality, often in color gradients or geometric grids that double as living decor.